big drills for turnout for Irish dance. We want to carry this through all our dances, and the more you drill it, the more it will just come natural every time you do the start. So the first one is the easy heel to heel, and you can walk forward, 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 back, 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 back. And as you can see, I'm walking with both my legs straight, both feet turned out, and we keep them like that all the time. The next one, once you get that down, we're going to go up on our toes and walk. So up, and then you're going to go walk, 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 walk. And that, we're leaning on our toe, but we're also pushing our toe out the way as we walk. So up like this, and if you see me from the side, both feet are going to be turned out, 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 down. And you can go up, down, to the side, up, down. The next stroke we're going to do for turnout is skip 2 freeze. So you're going to point your toe, and what I really want you to concentrate on is getting this toe all the way out. So when you point your right foot will go to your right, left foot will go to your left. When you do your skip 2 freeze, if you're specifically doing it for turnout, we're going to just really concentrate on our turnout. Turn out 2, 3, turn out 2, 3, turn out 2, 3. My knee is straight and I'm pushing that foot out, turning it out, I'm pointing it. And then once we have that down, it's the fast skip, skip and skip and skip and skip. And then there are a few drills for turnout. If you can just practice those and get stronger and stronger.